Greetings in the name of Yah Santiwa and Ngayami. All that is good and great, all that is blessed and beautiful, all that is creative and conscious, and all that is positive and possible. May the warm sun rays greet you each and every morning, and may your day always be full of joy. Hotep, I am Adis Olobayo, and welcome to Tugboat Creative Publishing Presents. Now this will be my Nature Dance series. I did one for the winter. Now I'm going to do the spring and summer. And rather than name them individually, I will name them now, and in the coming weeks we will be putting them up. Spring Nature Dance. And this is the spring series. Sun Rhythm, Songs in Spring, Sun-Filled Skies, Nature is Moving. And then we will go into the summer series. A summer's morning sun, a July day, erotic's land, and chirping melodies. Now there may be one or two more that I put in that's not on this list, but I want you to give a listen to it. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, but again, leave a comment. This is Adis Olobayo saying, Madasi P. Nature's Dance, Sun-Filled Skies. Buds begin to their seasonal birth on the trees. Long nights give way to long days. What a joy to see. Sun-filled skies warm in the earth. Springs arrive so beautifully.